Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about update statement on multiple conditions. Why we require multiple conditions? So whenever I have one employee table and in employee table, we have name column. In name column, we have duplicate name, but we have different department for all duplicate name. Okay. Suppose I have one name Johnson. So Johnson is one person who is working in management department and Johnson is also working in sales department. So suppose you need to give 10% increment of that particular Johnson who is working in sales department. Okay. So at this time, you need to apply multiple conditions. Why? Suppose I apply the condition on name, so both the Johnson will be updated 10% incremented salary. Okay. So, but I don't need to give 10% increment both the Johnson. Okay. So how we can handle this scenario? So you have to open the SQL server. This is the SQL server. Now what I have to do? So let me check. Do we have any data which is duplicate data? I think Sahil, I have taken the duplicate data. So Sahil is in management department as well as in sales department. See here. Sahil is in sales department as well as in management department. So see here, Sahil is also working in management department. This is the different Sahil. Okay. So this is the different Sahil whose department is this one. Whose department is management, but ID is this one. But last Sahil is working in sales department and ID is different. Okay. So how we can do it? How we can handle this scenario? If I need to update 10% salary of that particular Sahil who is working in sales department. So as of now, salary is 35500. Okay. So how we can update it? If I write down this command, update employee. Okay. So which data I need to update? I need to update the total salary as a 10% increment. So here I need to write total salary. First, I need to write a set. Then I need to mention the total salary column. This is the total salary equal to, you have to take here total salary e plus, then bracket start. And again, you have to take a square bracket because why I'm taking here a square bracket? Because if we have a space between the column name, so see here, total space salary. Because of this space, I need to take square bracket. Okay. If you do not take a square bracket, you will get an error. So you can try at your end. Then you have to take here 10% salary. 0.1010 is 10%. Okay. So now this is the existing salary. In this salary, I have calculated 10% salary using this one, this calculation. And in this salary, 10% will be added because here I have taken the plus sign. Okay. But if I try this command, then all the records will be incremented as a 10% salary. Okay. But I have to provide 10% increment to Sahil, who is working in the sales department. Okay. So if I try this command, so where name is Sahil, this is condition I have applied. If I run this command, then both the Sahil will get 10% increment. So where is Sahil? Let me check. So this is the one Sahil. I need to update salary of this Sahil who is working in sales department. But here is one Sahil. Another Sahil is in management department. So see here, another Sahil is in management department. So both Sahil's data will be changed as a 10% more incremented salary. Okay. But I need not to give the increment of that particular Sahil who is working in management department. I need to give the increment of Sahil, who is working in sales department. Okay, as of now, you have to check this is the salary. Now you need to apply one more condition, and then you have to take condition on department. Then you will get updated the correct data. So here I'm taking department is sales. Now this condition will work on only this record. Okay, no other record. So now run it. So as of now, I'm not running. Wait, I'm just showing you salary. So this Sahil salary is 50,266, who is working in the management department. And this Sahil salary is, who is working in sales department, salary is 3550. Now this salary will be updated, but this salary will not be updated because here I have not applied the condition for management department. I have applied the condition for sales department whose name is Sahil. Now run it. So see here one row affected. Now you have to check your data. So here I need to write select star from employee and where name equal to Sahil. So run it, check the data. So see here, this salary is incremented because on the basis of this and this condition, I have applied the update statement. But this salary is same. Okay. So here I have applied the condition on update where I have applied two conditions. Name is Sahil and department is sales. That's why this record is updated only. Okay. That's all for this video. Thank you so much.